Hi everyone, today we'll talk about one of the most important tools that you need to you may need it to work on it. It's called the sum product. So if you need to calculate the total revenue, you have to multiply. For example, the quantity for each product ID with unit of price. So you multiply this one with this one, multiply this one with this one, this one with this one, and so on. And after you multiply, you have to use the sum function to calculate the total revenue, as we described in the previous video. But if you need the faster way to calculate the total revenue uh, without multiply this one with this one and then you find the sum, you can use a function um, is called sum products. So sum products, he will give you the total revenue. You just have to put on the first array is a quantity, and you have to put on the separated by comma, and then we have the unit price, and here we go. This is the total price, this is a revenue, so you have to give him in dollar. And if you need to include the margin is like how much profit for each cent. So for product ID number one, you have 20% profit. So if you need to include the margin, how much profit for each product ID, so we have to use also sum function, sum product. And from sum product to now we have to include the third one. So first for the quality array, the second array for the price, and the third array we have to put the products, how much margin, how much um, and now here we go. So we have $165 per 25. So this is one of the useful tool if you may you need to work on it. So see you in the next video.